Benefits of the Pegan diet. 1. Helps you avoid health risks. The Pegan diet discourages the consumption of lactose-containing dairy products, which some people find hard to let go. However, if you look at the bigger picture, you will see how this particular dietary restriction works in the interest of your overall health. 2. Encourages clean eating. Most fad diets that have come and gone over the years are formulated with a myopic view of what nutrition really is. They are mostly concerned with managing your calorie intake or the macronutrient ratios without paying any attention to food quality. 3. Helps you lose weight. Given that fruits and vegetables are the mainstays of a Pegan diet, it is more than equipped to supply you with various health-promoting vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Besides, fruits and vegetables are rich in fiber, which makes them extremely effective in weight loss. 4. Good for your heart. Unsaturated fats are an essential component of a healthy, wholesome diet, which plays a vital role in improving your heart health. The Pegan diet allows for the consumption of healthy unsaturated fats.